If you have issues with the hotspot not working properly on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to mobile network, and then in here proceed to personal hotspot. When the personal hotspot is enabled, you can generate a QR code that can be quite helpful when trying to connect another device to your hotspot. So if the other device can scan QR codes, so the Wi-Fi QR codes of course, then we can do that with this QR code so that the other device doesn't have to look for the network and doesn't have to enter the passwords, which might be of course really convenient. And besides that, we can also go to hotspot settings, and one of the most important settings that we have over here is the AP band. Of course, we can set up 5 GHz to, in theory at least, increase the speed of your hotspot. However, this also results in less compatibility issues, or at least sometimes, of course. What I mean is that if another device does not support the 5 GHz frequency, then of course this device won't be able to find the hotspot. So you might want to switch to 2.4 GHz in order to increase the compatibility. There's also the Wi-Fi 6 protocol that of course can be enabled, but that can also cause some issues especially for older devices or cheaper devices. So you might want to turn it off if it was enabled. Remember to press save in the upper right corner once you are done with these settings, and of course hide hotspot. I assume that you know that it should be disabled to make sure that the hotspot is visible. There's also this option, automatically turn off personal hotspot, which might be convenient to disable for now in order to give some more time than 10 minutes for another device to connect. Usually, of course, 10 minutes is more than enough, but in case you don't want to risk it, if you want to make sure that your hotspot is always enabled, then of course we can disable this option. Keep in mind that of course this option disables the hotspot, so therefore remember to turn off the hotspot manually once you are done with sharing the internet. And that is pretty much it. More things that can be done is of course the check of Wi-Fi and or mobile data, because since we are sharing the access to either Wi-Fi or mobile data, we want to make sure that the Wi-Fi and / or mobile data is actually working fine on our OnePlus 15. If it's not working properly and we share that connection that is not stable or it's not working, then obviously it won't work on other devices as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.